In this video we talk about fruits. See, fruit is the characteristic feature of the flowering plants. Fruit is the characteristic feature of the flowering plants. See, how do the fruits form? How do the fruits form? Fruits are formed after fertilization. Fruits are formed after fertilization. Here the ovary, after fertilization, the ovary which is converted into fruit and ovules are converted into seed. See, the fruit, a typical fruit which is consists of a wall, that is a fruit wall, that is called pericarp. See, the fruit wall is called pericarp, and the seeds, fruit which is consists of fruit wall, that is a pericarp, and seed. Fruit consists of pericarp and seed. When the pericarp is thick and fleshy, it is differentiated. It is differentiated into the outer epicarp, inner one, that is the middle one. The outer epicarp, the middle one is a mesocarp, and inner one is a endocarp. See, the pericarp is differentiated into three layers. That is epicarp, middle one mesocarp, and inner one endocarp. It is a typical fruit consists of these three layers. And see, some plants are having the parthenocarpic fruits. How that is one? How they are formed? The parthenocarpic fruits, like banana. Banana, it is a triploid plant. That's why it is formed the parthenocarpic fruits. See here how the fruits are formed here. See, without fertilization, the fruit is formed without fertilization, that is called parthenocarpic fruits. Example, banana. And see, some are having the false fruits. Some are having the false fruits. See how, like apple, cashew, and strawberry, etc. These are all having the false fruits. See here, the thalamus contributed to form the false fruits. Such type of fruits are called false fruit. Thalamus, plays a major role. Thalamus, it is form the fruit, fleshy thalamus. That's why we are calling the false fruit. It is not the true fruit. It is a false fruit. Why? Because of the thalamus. Thalamus, it is form the fruit. Here, that type of fruits is called false fruits. Example, apple, cashew, strawberry. See here, what is the true fruits? True fruits means after fertilization, the ovary is converted into fruit and ovules are converted into seed. That type of fruit is called true fruits. These true fruits is two types based on the nature of the pericarp. Based on the nature of the pericarp, these are the true fruits are the two types based on the nature of the pericarp. That is the fleshy fruits and dry fruits. These fleshy fruits are also divided into 5 subtypes that are berry, drupe, hesperidium, pepo, and pome. These 5 subtypes we have to discussing now. See, first one is a berry. Here the pericarp is differentiated into an outer thin epicarp and some middle one, that is a mesocarp, and inner one is endocarp. See, the pericarp here in the berry, the pericarp is differentiated into outer epicarp, middle one is mesocarp, and the inner one is endocarp. See, the mesocarp and endocarp, these two layers, mesocarp and endocarp, fused to form pulp, and the seeds are hard. Here the fruit is developed from bi to multicarpellary. Two carpels to multicarpellary. Syncarpus gynoecium. It is a bi to multicarpellary syncarpus gynoecium which is developed from. See example, Solanum melangina and Lycopriscum esculentum. See here it is a tomato fruit. See, it is a epicarp. It is the outer thin layer of the tomato. That is called epicarp. And the inner one, see, this is the mesocarp and endocarp. These two are fused. Mesocarp and endocarp are fused to form the pulp-like structure. That's why this type of the fruit is called berry fruits. This type of fruit is called berry fruits. Example, tomato and brinjal. And next fruit type, that is drupe. That is drupe. See, it is developed from the monocarpellary. Here it is the monocarpellary. Monocarpellary superior ovary. Monocarpellary superior ovaries and are one-seeded. Only one seed is there. Here is the monocarpellary superior ovaries and are one-seeded. See, example, see here is the mango. Here is mango fruit which is consists of 3 layers. This is a pericarp which is consists of 3 layers. That is see, here it is the epicarp. Here it is the epicarp. Here it is epicarp and the middle layer, that is a mesocarp. Here it is the middle layer, that is a mesocarp, which is in a fleshy. Here it is the epicarp is a thin structure, thin layer. And the middle one, mesocarp, is a very fleshy structure. And the inner layer, inner pericarp, that is called endocarp. It is a stony structure. When see here another example, that is coconut. Here the coconut, say the outer layer is called epicarp, which is a thin layer. And the mesocarp is fibrous. Here the mesocarp is a fleshy type, but here the mesocarp is fibrous, and the endocarp is stony. Endocarp is stony or a hard structure. Endocarp is hard structure in coconut as well as in mango. And next fruit type, that is pepo. See, the endocarp, the epicarp. See, the epicarp is like a rind. Epicarp is like a rind. It is the outer layer. It's a form of rind. See, the mesocarp is fleshy and the endocarp is smooth, and it develops from tricarpellary unilacular inferior ovary. It is a tricarpellary unilacular inferior ovary. See, already we discussed the inferior ovary and tricarpellary. What is that? Is already discussed in the earlier classes. So these are the, see, this is the picture. See, the placenta is see here, and the seeds are attached to this, and here the epicarp. See here, it is the epicarp. Here it is the epicarp. It is formed a rind-like structure. It is outer layer. Epicarp nothing but it is the outer layer. And the mesocarp. See, beside the epicarp, that is called a mesocarp. It is a fleshy structure. Mesocarp is a fleshy structure, and the endocarp is a smooth structure. And it is formed a central cavity. It is a small hollow structure that is called a central cavity. For example, see the cucumber. Example, it is cucumber. Cucumber are Cucurbitaceae family members. Cucurbitaceae family members are examples of pepo fruit. And next fruit we will discuss, that is the Hesperidium. See, the develops of this fruit, the Hesperidium fruit, which is develops from multicarpellary syncarpous multilocular and superior ovary. See here, it is developed from multicarpellary. Both number of the carpels are there. Multicarpellary syncarpous, they are united. Syncarpous multilocular and superior ovary. Example, citrus fruit. See, it is also there is the pericarp, which is differentiated into 3 layers. See, the epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. See, the epicarp, which is a leathery structure. Example, citrus. I think already you know this one, this citrus fruit. The outer layer, that is leathery, and it has the volatile oil glands. Volatile oil glands. And coming to the mesocarp. And mesocarp, it is the papery structure are there. It's a white color papery structure is there. That is called mesocarp. And the inner one, that is a endocarp. Endocarp, it is containing the juicy hair like structure are there. That is called endocarp. This type of fruits is comes under Hesperidium. Example, citrus fruit. And next fruit type, that is a pome, which is the pome fruit, which is developed from inferior ovary of bi or multicarpellary gynecium, and which is surrounded by the fleshy thalamus. And endocarp is the cartilaginous. Example, apple. See, this is a picture of a pome fruit. Here it is the apple fruit. See, it is the fleshy thalamus. Here it is the fleshy thalamus. The outer layer, it is having it is total. This type of this structure is total, which is made up of a thalamus. That's why it is called as it is the false fruit. Like it is a false fruit because of it is made by the thalamus. Because it is made by the thalamus, not the ovary. Yes, that's why it is in fleshy. It is fleshy, and it is the edible one. See, in that the inner side of the thalamus, it has a true fruit structure, and it is called the endocarp. Here the pericarp is endocarp. Here this is the cartilaginous. It is the cartilaginous structure. The true fruit, which is a cartilaginous structure, it has the seeds. See, this type of the fruit is called pome. See, these are the fruit types of the fleshy fruits. And in the next video we talk about dry fruits. Thank you.